Hello, Namaskara. Myself Vinay Nityananda, ICS Mahesh P. College, Dharwad. At the last class, we have dealt with some of the introductory informations about the alcohols, phenols, and ethers. In this session, we are going to dealing with the preparation of alcohols. In the preparation of alcohols, first method from alkanes, in which there are two methodologies. First one by acid catalyzed hydration, and one more is by hydroboration oxidation. We are taking first one, that is by acid catalyzed hydration. Actually here this reaction has taking place through addition reaction, in which there are two methodologies. If our alkene is a symmetrical alkene, if it is reacting with water, then it is forming alcohol through addition reaction. See here, okay, in the water there is a HOH is there. H goes to one carbon atom and another OH goes to another carbon atom. Okay, the either side of the carbon to carbon double bond, two species are added, means double bond converted into single bond. Therefore the formed product is alcohol. Okay, next, if our alkene is unsymmetrical alkene, the same addition reaction has occurs according to Markovnikov's rule. For this, I have taken propene as example. This is propene. This is adding with water. Okay, in which one H goes to one carbon atom and another OH goes to another carbon atom. Okay, in the presence of an acid as a catalyst, here you have to watch. Okay, the negative part of the reagent is OH minus. This one going to the carbon containing a less number of hydrogen atom. What do you mean by that? Here unsaturation is present in between these two carbon atom. This carbon containing one hydrogen atom, this carbon containing two hydrogen atom, in which a lesser number of hydrogen is this carbon atom. It is receiving the OH species. Therefore the major product formed is a secondary alcohol. For this we have a mechanism how this reaction has occurs. It is occurring in a three steps, that all three steps we are dealing in detail. The step 1, what actually forming in a step 1, protonation of alkene is taking place, in which the proton from the acid goes to the lone pair of electron of oxygen atom of water to forming hydronium ion. This is our hydronium ion. Next, this hydronium ion going to double bond of the alkene. This is hydronium ion. This is going to attacking on the double bond of the alkene, in which what actually occurring? The one proton of the hydronium ion attacking on the double bond of the carbon, in which one bond is shifted towards the proton. By that proton losing the positive charge, but carbon attaining the positive charge. This species is calling as a carbocation. This carbocation is okay now attacked by the nucleophile. You see here, okay, this is our carbocation, this is our water. Water here is acting as a nucleophile. This water through these lone pair of electron of oxygen going to attack on a positively charged carbon atom. How? Among these two electrons, one electron is donated to the carbon, one electron is keeping it with. Then what will happen? There is a formation of a one new bond, that is a C bond H. Okay, along with that, okay, OH is also there. By that, by donating the one electron to the positively charged carbon atom, the oxygen will attain the positive charge. For this reason, what is happening? Oxygen is always want to become electron rich, but in the second product, in the second step, okay, have the positive charge on the oxygen atom. It is never tolerating that electron deficiency. As a result, one proton is detaching from this positively charged species, then what will happen? That proton will be received by the water through this lone pair of electron. Then this is eliminated as a hydronium ion again, and the formed product is alcohol. In this way the mechanism occurs. Now the second one, by hydroboration oxidation. This is also addition reaction, in which you have to see our alkene. For that, what the example we took? Propene we took. This is going to adding with diborane. What is the diborane? BH3 twice. This BH3 we have written as H bond BH2 twice. BH2H is BH3. Now among this HBH2, one H goes to unsaturated carbon and another BH2 goes to another unsaturated carbon. On either side of the unsaturated carbons, both the species are added, means double bond converted into single bond. By that, CH3 CH2 CH2BH2 is forming. Now this species going to reacting with another molecule of the propane. Here to this propane, the BH2 of the previous product, in which one H goes to this CH carbon and BH left is goes to this another carbon. Then what is forming? CH3 CH2 CH2, and previous one CH3 CH2 CH2. Now CH3 CH2 CH2 twice, then added one is BH, and next this species is going to bond with another propene molecule. How? The BH of the previous product, in which one H goes to this CH converted into CH3 CH2, and to this CH2 B will be bonding. Then what is forming? CH3 CH2 CH2 twice of the previous. This one CH3 CH2 single bond CH2 of the this one. Now how many CH3 CH2? CH3 CH2 CH2 thrice. The added one is B. This product is calling as trialkyl boron. In this example, the formed is a tripropyl boron. In the next, this addition product, what is this? Trialkyl boron, tripropyl boron is oxidized by the hydrogen peroxide. How many molecule of the hydrogen peroxide is required in the presence of a alkali as a alkali medium? 3 hydrogen peroxide is required. In one hydrogen peroxide, there are 2 OH molecules, and 3 hydrogen peroxide means there are 6 OH, among which 3 OH molecules goes with the B, another 3 OH goes with this trialkyl. Then what will be the products? 3 molecules of propyl alcohol are forming. Then another product is boron trihydroxide group is forming. These are this hydroboration oxidation product. Thank you.